In this video, we are going to show you how to organize a stellar company retreat. All you need to do is follow this easy and simple 5-step program. Okay, let's do something about this. I think it's time for retreat. Step 1. Get a great location somewhere in nature.
This step is extremely crucial. That's why this year we have chosen Amazing Hotel International in Velkalomnica. You see, when picking the hotel, we went through some important criteria. First of all, the hotel has to accommodate more than 60 people, as that's the number of people in Sudolabs. It also should not be far from various kinds of exciting activities, where we could get fairly easily. And it should provide with enough activities itself. There is also need for a conference room, wellness, and good food too. You know, our people love to eat. And last but not least, helpful staff. Well, Hotel International has all of those.
And the best part is that we have this whole hotel booked for ourselves. Step 2. Prepare a set of cool activities.
They should reflect your approach to the goal of the retreat. And there is our little tradition, theme party. Do you have different ideas? That's on you.
Try to include as much types as possible. Something more active, something relaxing, and good for well-being, and even something educational. So what have you chosen to do on retreat?
Go-karts, for sure.
Golf Academy.
Board games.
Beer tasting.
Wellness.
Effective argumentation workshop.
Wine tasting.
There will be plenty. Step 3. Invite people.
Okay, done.
Step 4. Have fun.
This one is self-explanatory. Enjoy.
So the last step, step number 5, it's more general. It's about the whole concept of internal events in the company. And you should make it unique. You should listen to what people are saying, what they want.
Before we even start to plan something, we go over forms and gather as much insights as possible. And it applies to feedback as well. That way we can deliver as great event like Sudolabs Retreat 2022.
Yeah, and that's it.
If you like this video and would like to know more about our company culture and events like these, feel free to check out our blog at sudolabs.com/blog. See ya!